Hi, today I'll be showing you how to not look pale if you have blonde hair. First of all, take an eyebrow pencil and start coloring your eyebrows. This has to be the first product to use. At this point, you can simply add mascara. I won't do it because I have lash extensions. Then you can proceed with the bronzer. Don't go in the lower part of your face. Just go up and try to sculpt your cheekbones just like that. That's the right movement to do. I contour a little bit my nose too, and if you want, you can also contour your forehead. With this product, which is by Glam, I start creating freckles. I think freckles are perfect for this look if you don't want to look pale. You have to apply the product and creating these points and then blend it with your finger. So this will create a natural effect. The last step to complete the look is to use a red lipstick. I use this liquid red lipstick by Sephora, so I'm sure it will last longer. This was the final step, so the makeup is done. Let's see the before. And this is the after. You can surely see the big difference. I really hope this was helpful. Bye!